Today, we're taking you on an incredible day trip to one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. Since it's only a 2-hour drive from Delhi, we're with Shantanu's family, and as you can see, we're all really excited in the car. As we weave through the lively streets of Agra, we know that we're about to witness something truly extraordinary. We're in Agra right now, about to head to
Taj Mahal.
Oh,
The Crown Palace.
The White Palace.
The White Palace.
Built on
so
love.
Taj translates to crown. Mahal means palace. So the Crown Palace.
When you arrive, there are 3 main gates to enter the Taj Mahal. We're here at the West Gate. Okay, we just made it to the entrance of the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, if you can a little bit more, you can see the Taj Mahal. So you're gonna have a full view. We're just getting closer and closer.
We're just getting this started. Yeah. So here we are, stepping in through the grandeur, through the Western Gate, on our way to see the Taj Mahal. Oh, and these sweet girls wanted a photo. It's hard to believe that it took approximately 22 years and 20,000 artisans to build the Taj Mahal. This was built by an emperor for his beloved wife that passed away. And what was the emperor's name?
Shah Jahan was the name of the emperor, and he built this for his wife that passed away. His wife's name was Mumtaz. Oh. And yeah, he built this in her memory.
That's beautiful. And I hear that since this place was built on love, that if you kiss at sunset, your love will last forever.
I don't know if you can do that. It's illegal to kiss in public in India.
We'll have to blow a kiss. Let's go explore. The Taj Mahal is a perfectly symmetrical marble structure. So you definitely want to take opportunities to get lots of pictures and soak in how majestic this palace is. What I realized is this is not just a monument, it is a symbol of eternal love that has become known all over the world. And that is truly beautiful.
Like, I just don't have any words. I'm speechless.
I know.
It's like floating in the air. Like it looks so unreal.
This is a perfect way to spend the day.
I had to go touch it to make sure it's not photoshopped. It's real.
It's not a dream, folks. It is bigger than it looks right there, so you just have to come see it. After walking around the Taj Mahal, you're going to be a little hungry. So we found these samosas outside the gates and grabbed a couple, and also some masala tea that was really, really delicious. It was the perfect thing after all of our walking. Right outside the gates, you'll find a lot of Tuk Toks lined up, ready to take you back to your destination. So we jumped in one to head back to our parking, and we were able to fit 5 of us in this one. We're riding a Tuk Tok right now.
Yeah.
Bye!
We're 4 people.
We have 4 people. 5. So much excitement. Now, if street food is not your thing, then there's a great restaurant in Agra called the Salt Cafe. It was a great stop because Little Minnie was very tired and we were hungry. Biryani,
so this is biryani. So it came in this clay pot, and this is the most traditional way to make biryani. I'm gonna open this up. So the rice, as you can see, all the aroma is coming out now. I'm gonna keep this bread here aside, and you can see the biryani is inside. It was cooked in this clay pot. It's all the flavors all mixed up. So I'm gonna take a spoon and use a spoon to have a serving. My mouth is like watering right now. This is so exciting. All right. So we got the biryani, we got the yogurt, and the next thing we have. So this is a stuffed naan. We're gonna have some stuffed naan. And then here's another thing. This is a mini pressure cooker. So I'm sure you guys have seen rice cookers, instant cookers. In India, pressure cooker is a lot more popular. So part of the experience is you have to open this pressure cooker. It's tricky. I'm getting there. I think I got it. I got it. So I would open this, and you can see, this is chicken curry made with all the Indian flavors, especially with like flavors from Punjab. Punjab is known for its food, known for its spices. So this is the juiciest, creamiest chicken you can get. So I'm gonna put it in my plate. Get some gravy, you know, for the biryani. And here's what we got. Let's eat.
Thank you all for joining us for a day in Agra. We'll see you guys next time.